gentlemen, the dashing Arjun Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for JJ Malaya. Gentlemen, it concludes the Blenders Pride Fashion Tour 2013. Time now to say a few thank yous. First and foremost to the show director, Alison Woodham. Stage and set design, Vikram Sharma. Set execution and venue construct, Ramson Stages. Sound and lights, Modern Stage. Audiovisual, Visual Designs. Light design, LGL Designs. Backstage management.
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया। चल कुछ नहीं रहा था, इन्होंने मुझे अच्छे कपड़े दिए, मेरा काम था अच्छी तरह कैरी करना। आई एम ग्लैड सबको पसंद आया। क्या करूं?
सॉरी
ऐसा बात
आई डोंट हैव।
हेलो हेलो, चालू है?
इट्स ऑन इट्स अ डायरेक्ट फीड।
ओह ओके, is it on? Can I stop?
Ask the question again.
So You're looking amazing on the red.
Silence.
So tell us how's the experience, walking for the JJ Malaya.
Fantastic experience. This is the first time I'm getting to walk the ramp for him, and it's my pleasure that I can carry his clothes, hopefully the way he imagined and he would have wanted. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's always nice to be able to wear interesting clothes that we might not normally get to wear in a film. And put it contextually with fashion. So it's always exciting, and I'm glad I've got to be a part of this show. I'm very, very, very happy. And to do it in so early in my career, to get to do something like this feels even nicer.
अर्जुन हम एक चीज नोटिस की कि आपका जो राइट हैंड है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा शेक कर रहा है. Same thing. बहुत ज्यादा शेक कर रहा है.
You shake the left one now.
No, right hand was
वो एक्चुअली मुझे रणबीर की याद आ गई तो मैं थतर थतर करना चाहता था. एक्चुअली वो करना चाहता था पर मैं अपनी डांसिंग कंट्रोल कर रहा था.
Did you wanted to be a part of Ramleela by any chance?
I wanted to be a part of Gunde, and I'm glad I was a part of Gunde.
Something about your trailer Gunde बहुत लोगों
बहुत लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लोगों ने पसंद किया ट्रेलर. टीजर है ये तो शुरुआत है हमारे प्रमोशन की, और इतना अच्छा रिएक्शन मिला, इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, तो मैं दुआ करता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि लोगों को हमारा काम बाकी गानों में, ट्रेलर्स में और फाइनली पिक्चर में भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. जितना अच्छा रिस्पांस टीजर को मिला उतना अच्छा होपफुली पिक्चर को भी मिले, यही दुआ कर सकते हैं.
प्रियंका को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं ट्रेलर में.
मैं भी मिस कर रहा हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा को.
From the trailer of Gunde.
जी,
वो जो टीजर है
हम यहाँ इस वक्त गुंडे की डिस्कशन करने तो आए नहीं है. खैर
But
कर
you're a
सकते हैं.
part of Gunde.
Of course. See, that is a promotion campaign and a strategy that Yashraj has designed. It would be unfair on my part to comment. We are still 2.5 months away from release. आप सबको मेरे साथ, रणवीर के साथ, प्रियंका के साथ, इरफान सर के साथ, अली के साथ, सबके साथ टाइम बिताने का मौका मिलेगा. तब आप अली से ये सवाल जरूर पूछना, और मैं भी पूछूंगा उससे, और प्रियंका से भी पूछना. प्रियंका अली से भी पूछेगी, तो हम सब अली से पूछेंगे. We'll put Ali on the spot कि अली ने क्यों प्रियंका चोपड़ा जैसे इतने बड़े, इतने उम्दा कलाकार को आप सबसे छुपा के रखा. हमसे तो खैर नहीं छुपा है, लेकिन आप सबसे क्यों छुपा के रखा, इसका जवाब सिर्फ वही दे सकते हैं.
Okay, Ranveer, are you working on your body?
I'm speaking so?
Ranveer.
Oh, thank you.
Working on your body. Some change in your physique.
In the film?
No,
Right
now.
Oh, it's the clothes. It's exactly the reason why you want to be dressed by the right people, because it can make a difference. The right pair of jeans can make a difference. The right sherwani can make a difference. It's the cut, it's the styling, it's the ability that people have to look at you in a different way. And I guess he's done that. So right now, if you're seeing a difference in me, I'm exactly the same as I've been since I started shooting last year for Gunde. So it's credit to him that he's been able to show this now. आप सबको एक साल बाद ऐसा हुआ तो माइंड ब्लोइंग चीज है. Thanks to him.
Yeah.
No. That's not true. I think, in fact, he's quite inspirational in that department, and you know why? Because there's been a journey. But more than anything else, I'm not a very avid Hindi film watcher, but I watched his debut film, and to me, he's going to go in a direction which all of us want him to go, which is right up there. So I think it's a great this thing to have young talent like him. We've been around for 22 years now. His journey is just beginning, and I think it's going to be a fantastic one.
Arjun, being a Bollywood star and being a Mumbai girl, 26/11 को आज 2 दिन बाद 5 years पूरे हो जाएंगे. It just tributes something to those people who's like.
Yeah, I think loves come पड़ते हैं. It's ask anybody who's lost someone or been in that situation, anybody who lives in the city or was a part of this country or the world in general, that incident is it's a black day in anybody's life. So I think we can just be silent and support the people who've lost their loved ones or been scarred by that incident, and the lesser said the better it is. Words can't quantify somebody's loss, and I would know that out of my own personal experience. I think it's just better to be silently supportive of that day. I think that's the best way to deal with it.
Okay, just one last question that I have it for Arjun is that what are you doing this New Year's? What is your extra plan? Are you going to be seen performing somewhere and getting a mullah of money or something like that?
Getting a mullah of money. First explain that, then I'll answer the question. What is mullah of money?
पिछली बार आपने परफॉर्म किया था.
हाँ नहीं, मैंने उनसे सवाल पूछा, वो जवाब देंगे तो मैं अपना जवाब दे दूंगा. Explain mullah of money.
Obviously.
That's mullah of money.
A lot of money, obviously.
But that is mullah of money. I need to really brush up my language skills. Mullah of money, ये बहुत अच्छा है. Yeah, I've not really thought about it or decided. I've been busy shooting. Something or the other will prop up, something will come up. Never say never in life. Opportunities come your way. It's up to you if you're in that headspace to grab something. So let's see. I've not thought of anything yet. Ideally, I would like to take an off. I've just completed 3 films back to back. So let's see how it pans out. I've not really thought about it as such.
Thank you guys.
Thank you everybody.
very much.